great. We had a good time. Some colleagues and I came out. The instructors were very knowledgeable and they gave us some input that we can take back to our site.
Great, I had a great time. Awesome.
This has been phenomenal. I mean, you come, you meet all these energized people talking about the importance of leadership and management and daily improvement and sustaining all these things, and you walk away with just so much energy you want to bring back to your company.
We'll definitely come back next year.